My name is MAHA LAKSHMI. I'm from East Godavari district. I completed my bachelor's degree in the stream of electronics and communication engineering. After that, I joined at Jspiders Punjagutta. I start here with the zero knowledge, and I gained some skills like communication skills, and I build confidence levels. I attended classes for Manjunath's batch Java and web technology Reshma ma'am batch and SQL Sanjay sir and Revan sir batch. So here I attend also grooming sessions and many presentation sessions. Mock interviews will be happened very well, and they trained me. HRs also helped me so much.